Welcome to Botanique at Bartley. Today I have a 2-bed 2-bath sized at 721 square feet. This unit is priced just a shade under $1.5 million just for you. We are located just within 3 minutes walk to Bartley MRT station, which is just one stop to Serangoon Interchange. We're also within 1 kilometer to 3 primary schools, namely Cedar, Maris Stella and Paya Lebar Methodist Girls' School. On top of all the attributes that I have mentioned earlier, how often do you see a 2-bed 2-bath that's located at the corner of a block? And being a corner unit means that one of the bathrooms in your unit has a big window so that you do not just rely on ventilation fans. So if you're looking to buy to stay, this 2-bed 2-bath will be perfect for a couple or up to 3 family members. If you buy as an investment today in the same region, our 2-bed 2-bath in the new launch is going for at least $1.7 million and above for a similar size and similar locality to the MRT station. So for getting a unit at just above 1.38 million, you are getting a steal in today's market. If you would like to know more about this unit, do contact me, Bryan Yee, and we'll be in touch shortly.